Hello everyone, my name is Azaz Patel and I am from webhub.blogspot.com. Welcome to the part 26 of e-commerce website development in PHP with PDO. So guys, in last tutorial, we successfully faced all the information about the product which is selected by user, and we also get his price perfectly. So in this tutorial, we will create two buttons, buy now and add to cart. And we will also create a similar product facility for this product in our website. So let's start. I am in my pro-detail.php page, so I am going to function.php, and look at here, we are inside the function which name is pro-details. Okay, so now we need that two button into center. So we will create that button inside center tag. So first of all, we need to create a form tag, just because their buy now button is for a form tag, and its method will be post method. We use a post method here. Okay, so now we simply create a one button tag. Button, and give the proper name, like name equal to buy now, but inside a single quote. And we also need some text like buy now. Okay, and we need one more button here, so say button, and give the name equal to user cart, simple cart. Okay, and text will be add to cart. Okay, so now let's check the output, what happened in our browser. Okay, look at this now. Our two button is coming. We need to format this button. So we will going to our style.css, and let's check what's the ID of our main div. Okay, so it is inside our pro features div. So we are going to style sheet, pro feature, here it is. So I'll simply copy this from here, paste it from here, and inside center tag have some form, and inside form have some button. Then its width will be around I think 180 pixel, and its height will be 35 pixel. Okay, and its background will be has FFF, which means white color, and border 1 pixel solid, and its color will be like 40040. Okay, and here equal to colon. Let's check the output, what happened in our browser. Nothing is happened here in our browser. Okay, let's check again. Pro feature, center tag, form tag, and have some button. All is perfect, but it's not coming. Okay, so let's give the separate ID of our buttons. So here is our button. Give the separate ID equal to like buy now, buy underscore now. Also here we need to give a same ID like ID equal to buy now. Okay, and go to CSS, remove this all and say buy now. Okay, now we're going to refresh it. Come back to our home page. Again click on here. Nothing is happening here. Why? Let's check the output in different browser like Opera. Okay, so I am in Opera. So now going to localhost. Then okay, our website is online store. Here. Now I'm click on here. Okay, look at this now. It's coming perfectly just because we have some cookies and history. So we will close this and press Ctrl plus H for clearing history. Okay, clearing browsing data. Clear. Okay, it's clearing all the datas. Come on. Okay, now I am going to our localhost, not from Google, localhost. Okay, our web server is open, online store. When I click on here, okay, look at this now. Now first of all we need to do something on our h4 tag. I'm going to show you something. Function.php, look at here, we have h4. Okay, so going to style of CSS, copy this one from here and paste it from here and change the h3 to h4. And we have some margin from top, so say margin top around 30 pixel. Okay, let's check, refresh it. Okay, look at this now, margin is coming. I think 40 pixel is right. Okay, now 40 pixel is right. Now we need some space between these two, selling price and buttons. So we also add a margin from bottom like 20 pixel. Let's check, what about 20 pixel? Okay, now I think it's perfect. Now we need to radius these borders for all sides of our buttons. So we are coming here and say border radius around 3 pixel. Okay, when I'm going to refresh it, okay, look at this now. Now when someone hover in our these buttons, then its background will be changed. So how can we do that? Just simply we are going to copy this one from here, paste it from here and say hover and say background will be has 40040. Okay, let's take one refresh. Okay, nothing is coming. I will simply copy from it here, paste it from here. Now when I'm going to refresh it, okay, look at this now. And also we need to change its color, will be has FFF, which means white color. Okay, look at this now. It's looking very beautiful. So guys, now we need to create one separate div for similar products which is related this product. So how can we do that? Just simply coming on our function.php, and here we need to create one more div, like div id equal to like similar product simpro. Okay, div close, and inside this div we need to write a query. But what's the error here? Okay, the syntax error, line number 99. Center rec, similar pro, all are perfect. I think all are perfect, but why it's giving the error? Just refresh it. Okay, syntax error, undefined variable, line number 112. Where is the 112? 112. Okay, let's remove it from here. Now press Ctrl S. Okay, I'll check it. Selling pro. What's error here? I don't understanding, but I'll find it. That error. Okay, yes, we'll find that error. We don't close this echo function. Okay, now it's perfect. Refresh it. Okay, so now we need to create one div. Okay, we will find the error. Look at here, we don't close it from double quotes. So now when I can press Ctrl S, okay, look at this now, no syntax errors. Also check it from here, refresh it. Okay, look at this now. Now we need to put something like h3 tag. Okay, h3 tag, and we say like related product. You can also say similar product, but with related products. Okay, let's press Ctrl S and refresh it. Okay, look at this now. Okay, we need to put minimum height from our pro feature ID, just because we add something like discounts and like check pin codes and all are coming here. But for now we need to give a minimum height of our pro feature. So where is the height? Yeah, here it is. We say minimum height. Okay, not a minimum. Okay, we set a maximum height. Think 450 pixel is perfect. Refresh it. Okay, look at this now. Now it's coming perfectly. Also we need to change the background color of our Simpro. So we are going to style.css. Here we need to create a one div like Simpro. Then its background will be something like white pixel. Oh sorry, has FFF, which means white background. Also we need to set the width like 100%. When I click on refresh it, okay, look at this now, white color is coming. So now we need to set the height, like the height will be around 350 pixel. Okay, I think 350 pixel is perfect. Okay, something wrong here. Sim Pro. Also here Sim Pro. When you click on Control C, paste it from here. Sim Pro. Okay, all are perfect, but white's not coming. Let's take a refresh. Okay, let's check in Opera. Okay, also not coming Opera perfectly. Come back here. Yeah, also we need to here br clear equal to all, just because we also use here float left. Okay, look at this now. Now it's coming perfectly. This line coming just because we not give the exact height of this div and this div. So now we need to have some space between Pro feature and Sim Pro. So how can we do that? Just simply going to CSS, also coming here and say margin from top side. Okay, not from margin from top side. We simply use here sim pro, sim underscore pro, sim underscore pro. Then we say its background like has ff or not a ff 40040, and its color will be has fff. Okay, now let's take one refresh. Okay, look at this now. Now it's coming. Oh, oops, we make a mistake here. We say h4 only for h3. Refresh. Okay, look at this now. Now we need to set some height and width. So first of all we say height will be like okay, 35 pixel, and width also 100%, so we don't need to give a width. Refresh it. Okay, look at this now. I think we need to here some more height, like what about 40 pixel? Yeah, I think 40 pixel is perfect. Okay, now we need to put this tag on the center text, this text into center from top and bottom. So how can we do that? We simply use a line height property, HIGHT, 40 pixel. Refresh it. Okay, now we need to some space between this text and from the left side. So how can you do that? We simply use a padding property, padding from left, and I think 5% padding is perfect. Okay, I think 5% is too much. Only 2%. Okay, it's perfect now. Now we need some space from the top, so we also add some space here. So same margin top, something like 20 pixel. When I click on refresh it, okay, so not a margin, we use a padding from top. Okay, not from here. Control X, Control V, refresh it. Okay, now I think it's looking very beautiful and very perfect. So now we need to fetch all the product which is related this product, but I think this video is too long, so we need to end this video here. In next tutorial, we successfully fetched all the products related this product. So for next tutorial, stay connected with me, stay tuned. And one more thing guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, just because when I upload a new videos, then you will get the notification in your inbox. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay connected with me guys, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.